Hello everyone, Justin here, and today I'd like to show you a drawing I made inside this particular instrument. This is a violin I finished about 2 to 3 years ago for my son Julian, and he chose Bach as a drawing that I drew inside the instrument. So if you look through the sound hole, that's when you would see the secret where there's a drawing inside. So here it is. I'm drawing the composer in pencil using just a regular mechanical pencil with 2B lead. And to get to this point, I had to do a lot of cutting and carving to get the wood, the figured maple, to this stage where it's smooth inside and ready for drawing. I did this just after I had an accident snowboarding, and that's why I've got that little splint on my middle finger. But it really wasn't too much of a problem as far as drawing. So this drawing probably took me about, I'll say, 45 minutes. Just kind of a quick sketch. So if you, again, look at the instrument and start looking through the left F hole, that's when you would see the drawing. And there it is. So Johann Sebastian Bach. And I also had Julian choose a quote of Bach. And it says, "I was obliged to be industrious. Whoever is equally industrious will succeed equally well." So I also wrote that in. And that's pretty much it. So I also did a couple other artistic touches to this instrument, including inlaying the fingerboard there with mother of pearl and abalone, and made the instrument look old, as you can see, and it's called antiquing. And I made the purfling, that inlay right there, a little fancier, as well as did a little bit of carving there in the back of the scroll with our initials. So thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.